So how do you buy a cooler for your PC?
Hi guys, I'm Paul, this is Diane, and we are the PC Zombies. And this is the 8th installment of our PC Cooling Basics series. This time, we're gonna talk about how you actually buy an air cooler or a water cooler. Let's get to it.
Okay. How do you buy a cooler then?
Well, first of all, decide what you want, air or all-in-one water or custom water loop. If you're doing a custom water loop, we'll talk about that in a future video. But if you're buying an all-in-one cooler or an air cooler, they're both fairly easy to do. First, you look at your CPU and find out what the socket is. That socket's going to lead your search in Amazon. So you search for the sockets and you say air cooler or all-in-one water cooler. And then it will bring up a list. But it's kind of nice to know if you want a brand. If you know you're going for RGB and you have to manage RGB, and if you, especially you want a real easy installation thing, maybe go to Corsair. But if not, just make sure that the brand that you're getting is something that you already have in your case. Because I made this mistake on your computer. I got NZXT fans, I got Corsair memory, I got NZXT water cooling, and I've got a Fantex case, and it has RGB that connects to the Asus motherboard. Everything was a different brand.
And now it doesn't work.
Well, yeah, so we set it up and we went to 3 or 4 different management softwares. Here's how you do the Asus to make the RGB work. Here's how you do the Corsair. Here's how you do the Fantex. Here's how you do the NZXT. All of these require different management software, and it all has to run in the background of your PC, so it's also extra processes that you don't want. So I would advise, if you're going to do RGB, make sure it matches something else you already have, because you're going to be running that software anyways.
Good advice.
I'm a broken record on this. I tell you,
No,
I think this comes up in
great.
every video we do, doesn't it?
Software makes a difference.
It does make a difference.
Compatibility.
So then you look it up. You go by your socket, then the brand you want, and then all-in-one water cooler or air cooler. Either way, you'll get a list of coolers that you can pick from, and it's that easy. That's how you buy a cooler, Di. Thanks for sticking with us all the way through it, and we appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it.
Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye.